Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another lesson to improve your English conversation skills. Today, we'll focus on the art of introducing yourself and getting to know someone new. In this dialogue, Lauren and Sarah meet for the first time at a community event and strike up a conversation. Pay attention to the phrases they use, as they're perfect for making connections in casual settings. Let's jump right in.
Hi there. I don't think we've met before. I'm Lauren.
Hi, Lauren. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. So, are you new around here? I haven't seen you at any of these events before.
Yeah, actually, I just moved to the area about 2 weeks ago. Still trying to settle in.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. Moving can be so stressful. Are you enjoying it so far?
Thanks. It's been good so far. A little overwhelming, though. There's so much to figure out where to shop, how to get around, and all that.
I totally get that. When I first moved here, I felt the same way. But once you get the hang of it, it's a great place to live. What brought you to this area?
Well, I got a new job here. I'm working as a marketing analyst for a tech company.
That's awesome. Congratulations on the new job. How's it going so far?
It's going well, thanks. The team is really supportive and the work is interesting, but I'm still getting used to the office culture.
That's understandable. Every workplace has its own vibe. By the way, do you work in one of the downtown offices?
Yeah, I do. My office is near Main Street. The commute's not too bad, thankfully.
Oh, nice. Main Street has some great lunch spots. Have you had a chance to explore the area yet?
A little bit, but not much. Do you have any recommendations?
Definitely. There's a cafe called The Daily Grind that makes amazing sandwiches and coffee. And if you like Thai food, you've got to try Thai Orchid.
Those sound great. I love Thai food, so I'll have to check that out.
For sure. And if you ever need company to explore, let me know. I'd be happy to show you around.
That's so kind of you. I might just take you up on that.
Anytime. So, what do you like to do in your free time? Any hobbies or interests?
I love reading and hiking. I'm also a bit of a movie buff. How about you?
Oh, I love hiking too. There are some beautiful trails around here. And movies, don't get me started. What's the last movie you watched?
I watched Inception recently. It's such a mind-bending movie. Have you seen it?
Oh, definitely. It's one of my favorites. The ending always gets me. Do you have a favorite genre?
Probably thrillers or mysteries. What about you?
I'm into comedies and feel good movies, but I'll watch anything with a good story.
That's great. Maybe we could have a movie night sometime.
That sounds like so much fun. Let's plan it soon. By the way, are you on social media? It might be easier to stay in touch that way.
Yeah, I'm on Instagram and Facebook. Should I add you?
Definitely. Here, let me give you my username.
Got it? I'll send you a request. Thanks, Lauren. You've made me feel so welcome here.
Aw, I'm glad. It was so nice meeting you, Sarah. I'm sure we'll hang out again soon.
Absolutely. Thanks again, Lauren. See you around.
See you, Sarah?
Great job, everyone. This dialogue was packed with practical phrases for meeting someone new and building a connection. Practice these expressions with a friend or a partner to make them a natural part of your English conversations. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson.